Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. If it's your first time visiting my channel and you enjoy my content, I invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. The base for today's manicure is Braves Diva Polish in the shade Peppermint Bark in the Park. I'll be stamping with my green Beauty Bigbang stamping polish, which is number 3. And today I'll be using this stamping plate, Beauty Bigbang number 05, which is one of their Christmas small plates. Now I'm going to use Maniology called Fireside. We do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. Now we seal in the design with our Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. We apply a little bit of cuticle oil and our manicure is now complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!